Alright, welcome back. In the previous class, I teach you how to open a project, how to save a project, which is very important. For every project you do, make sure you save them. So quickly, I want to brush through the remaining tabs in the menu key. Alright, so the second one after the file is the edit menu. Under the edit menu, you have the undo, you have the redo, the cut, copy, paste, duplicate, delete, ripple, delete, add placeholder, convert to placeholder, split all, stitch, group and ungroup, select, which you have a sub menu which have the select all, preceding media, you have the deselect all, the arrange, the jump to, and the preferences. The preferences is a tab which covers the settings for your Camtasia Studio. For example, if you check your preferences, you have the program, the timing, the partners, the shortcuts, projects, and the advanced. Now, for the scope of this course, we might not really look at most of these things, but for example, if you look at the project here, you have the canvas dimension, which tells you the default size for the program. You can decide to change your canvas size from here. For example, this video is recording at an HD canvas size. You also have the program, which talks about the default easing type, maybe it's auto, linear, and some other settings like that. You also have these options here that say auto save. If you turn it off, all you are doing will not be saved automatically. Now go back to your edit menu. You can see that some of the options are turned off, reason being that you don't have anything on your timeline. So for example, let's go ahead to file and import a media. Okay, I decide to import this picture here. So if you go ahead and drag a picture into the timeline, it's going to look like this, right? Now, if you are on the picture, if you go back to the edit tab, you can see that all the other menus which were turned off before are now active. Okay, for example, if you decide to use the cut button, once you press the cut button, you see that the image is automatically cut off from the timeline. Now if you go back to the edit and click paste, you see that the paste button automatically returns the image back to the timeline. Now if you go back to the edit button, is the most important key I think you need right now is the split button, which if you go to the edit menu, you can just click split selected. What does it mean? It means that you can split an image into two. For example, you are working on a video and all of a sudden there is a part you want to remove. That's where the split comes in. Split means you want to split a video into two. Now once you split into two, you can select one and press the delete key to delete it, for example. Okay, likewise, to do that, you can use the shortcut key. If you go back to your edit menu, look at it here, it says shortcut key X. If you press the S key on your keyboard, it automatically splits the video or the clip into two. I'm going to continue with the the menu when we come back.